in favor of that motion, please indicate so by saying aye.
The local government corporation has agreed to endorse a new co-developer to the downtown projects. Newscrest Image has been well received in Amarillo because of their work on the Courtyard Marriott.
We had always been looking to grow in the Amarillo market, and we are strong proponents of downtown with the current success of our current project in downtown. So we felt this is the right place for us to grow.
They just bring a great skill set to the table, plus they bring a demonstrated commitment to our community.
Wallace Bajali will remain the master developer and intends to complete the parking garage by the time the hotel is completed.
We're there to help coordinate that effort with the building of the parking garage and the retail around the parking garage. And we're certainly want to have the garage ready at the same time the hotel is ready. So we will start the construction on that site several months after they started their construction and after the material that's on the laydown site has been moved, and with the idea in mind that we'll finish at the same time.
So while previous financing of the project has been problematic and exotic, Newcrest Image is expected to be conventional.
We have always done traditional financing, which is we put our guarantees online, and that is what we expect for this project as well.
However, city officials say property taxes will not be used for the project.
There was a commitment made by the City Commission, and it continues to be the commitment not only of the Commission but the LGC, that this project be done in such a manner that there's not a call for an increase in local property taxes or the involvement in local property tax revenues to make the hotel a reality.